If you're watching this tutorial, it means that you are ready to start editing your video. So the first thing you're going to do is go to youtube.com. When you get to youtube.com, you're going to push the upload button. If you've never uploaded a video, another screen is going to pop up where it asks you to create a username. Do that now. No spaces. And remember to keep it school appropriate because it is linked to your school account. Okay. Once you get that uploaded or fixed, then you're going to click over here by the yellow scissors, the editing software. You have not started a project yet, but in case you have, maybe you've already used the software, you want to select new project. And then it's going to say my edited video. What you want to type in is your name and then like book trailer. If you have any videos uploaded to YouTube through this account before, they're all going to show up here. But what we're going to be working with is pictures. So you're going to click the camera button. Click the camera button, you're going to go to add more photos. And it'll bring up your photos and anything that you have saved in your drive. And go to photo albums. But where most of your stuff is going to be, because you're screenshotting it, is going to be in the uploaded photos. And it's going to say select photos from your computer. Now your screen's going to look a little different than mine because you're on Chromebooks. So when you're on Chromebooks, this is going to show you everything that's on your file. But if you've taken the screenshots from your script, all your pictures are going to show up and you'll just click the ones that you want. If you need to click multiple ones, just hold the shift button and then click the bottom one, and then it will select all of them for you so you don't have to do this one at a time. Then the photos that you've uploaded for this project will show up here. Now you're ready to start building your trailer. The first thing we're going to need is a title. So if you click the A title button will appear. Then you select which one you would like for your title and you just drag it to where it says drag videos here. You'll know that you're dragging it to the right place because the box around it will turn blue. Once you get your text typed in, you can change your font, you can change the size, you can change the color, you can change, depending on which one, a few different things. You can change what you want the background color to be. Okay. And say that it's just too fast, you'll notice that there's this little timer button here on the bottom. To make something longer or shorter, you just drag the blue box on the end and it will make it longer or shorter, depending on your direction. Once you have a title in, then you're ready to start adding your other pictures. The problem is this thing has gone away, right? All you have to do to get it to come back is click out of the title and everything pops back up. So I'm going to go to my pictures and just drag the pictures in the order that they go based on how you typed it. And you can just drag more down, so pretend that this is a different picture. When you select a picture, it brings up another menu. And you can change the brightness of your picture. You can change the contrast. You can also apply filters and rotation. So my picture rotated sideways. Okay. And the filters, the important thing to remember about the filters is that they build on top of each other. So right now I have 2 filters applied. To unapply one of the filters, you just click on the other one. So if you don't like something, just make sure you unclick it before you click a new one. Then again, once you click out of the pictures, the menu will come back. Then we need a ending slide. And the same thing, you can change the font, you can change the size, you can change the color, and you can change the time. Once you're done with the title, the ending slide, and all the pictures that go in between, you're ready for the last 2 elements, and you should not do these 2 elements until you are completely done building the project. So the first thing is there are transitions. So just like in Google Slides, when you move between one picture to, or in one slide to the next, you can add a transition. And then when you've added all the transitions, that you would like, then we can add music. You might not know any of the music, but you can search by genres. And if you hold your mouse over it, there's like a little plus sign that will allow you to preview the sound, and then again, just click the play button to make it stop. And then drag it just like you did the other one so that it's the right length. This should be the very last thing that you do, because if you keep changing your slide after you add the music, then you're going to have to keep adjusting the audio version of it. Okay, and then, so it looks like I'm ready to go. So you're going to push create the video. This screen is going to come up, and that's totally fine. It just says they're building your video. Here it will tell you percentage of how long it takes to load. But if you copy and paste your video, you'll notice that it comes back up. And this is what you're going to attach to Google Classroom.